Welcome to Cakes Factory. If you love chocolate, you are going to love today's video. We are bringing you 12 delicious triple chocolate ideas made with dark milk and white chocolate all in one cake. Let's explore these rich and irresistible ideas. The first one is classic triple layer chocolate cake. Three rich layer dark chocolate sponge, milk chocolate frosting, and glossy white chocolate gunge rip perfectly balanced. The next is triple chocolate fudge cake. Soft chocolate fudge cake with dark gunge filling, milk chocolate glaze, and white chocolate skulls on top. So juicy. The next is tall triple chocolate drip cake, a tall showstopper with alternating layers of dark milk and white chocolate cake, dripping with three ways chocolate gunge. Tall three triple chocolate drip cake is an amazing idea for great events. The next is triple chocolate bento cake. Small in size but big in flavor. A mini cake topped with triple chocolate chips or a swirl of whipped ganch. The next is Cocoa Crunch Trio Cake. Layer of chocolate mixed with crunchy bites. Milk chocolate mousse and white chocolate drizzle. Texture and taste in every bite. The next is Triple Chocolate Rosette Cake. Decorate with cake rosette with chocolate rosette. Dark milk and white piped in layers. Looks like a chocolate flower garden. The next is chocolate bomb shell cake. Covered in a dark chocolate shell filled with white or milk chocolate sponge or white gunch, cocoa gunch. Smash and enjoy. The next is marble triple chocolate cake. Each slice shows a swirl of three chocolate. Add a chocolate glaze and cocoa pearls for extra shine. These cakes are amazing for birthday parties or tea parties. The next is heart shaped triple cocoa cake. Perfect for special moments, heart shaped with a dark chocolate crust, milk cream filling, and white drip fresh finish. Looks perfect and elegant. The next is triple chocolate ice cream cake. Cold twist chocolate layers of chocolate cake with chocolate ice cream topped with frozen gunch and white chocolate drip or chips. The next is layer jar cakes. Triple chocolate in a jar, layer of sponge, molds, and gunch. Great for gifting or dessert tables. The next is triple chocolate explosion cake. Overflowing with chocolate bars, truffles, balls, skulls, drizzles, and bars. Using all three types of chocolate, it's a choco colic dream. That was your sweet tour of 12 triple chocolate cake ideas. Each one is tasty and full of chocolate love. Which one would you like to try or bake first? Tell us in the comment below. And if you like or enjoy these cake ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cakes Factory and hit the bell icon for daily cake ideas on here's on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Goodbye.